Hello, my friends. If you are in our club, you definitely need to watch this video, because if you've already seen the club set, it is flower to, well, it's not really called flower to build. This one says flower to build. Is it really called flower to build? Didn't we change the name? I don't remember. So I thought it was called flower to build, and then I thought it wasn't, and now I think it is. But anyway, it is all about building the flowers. So this is the club set, and you're literally gonna build this flower. And then, of course, I've added more. Because what happens is, when I design, I have 4x6, right? Our stamp sets are 4x6. And so I just start designing, and then I print it out to see the size, because I usually do it in the computer. And then I'll go back and go, okay, that's too big, that's too little, that needs to do this, that needs to do this. And then I figure out what sizes I want, and then I try to work and put them on a 4x6 palette. Doesn't always work out that way, because I usually end up having way more. And trying to whittle down, or trying to decide, oh, maybe we don't need that one, maybe we do that one, need one. I need them all. So just saying. Why? Because here is number 2 and here is number 3. Now, those of you that do not like to color, hello, you're really going to want number 3, because it has the solids and it has the pattern. That one is really important. It says, I cherish my time with you. Now this one is fun. It says, if I had a flower for every time you made me smile and laugh, I'd have a garden to walk in forever. And then it says, you are loved. And all of these pieces, look at this, all of these pieces are designed to go into this main flower. So you're going to build and you're going to mix and match, and this is the solid for that one, and the solid for this one is over here, and then this solid there is over there. They're all going to go together. Now, of course, there's another die set that goes with this, and this is just me. I don't have all the pieces here. Check out the website. It'll show you all the pieces you're going to get, but it really coordinates with this one, just saying. Now, that all being said, so we have 2 extra stamp sets and a die set for this stamp set. Now, I also thought, I love these flowers, but they need a fold-it to go with them. And we already have enough flower fold-its in general that are big flowers, right? So I thought, what about, and let me find a sample to share with you, what about a flower pot? I know, isn't it awesome? I know. Now, I've added more flowers in this one. I wish I had a sample to share with you, but I don't. See, between my house and here, sometimes things get misplaced. But it is a flower pot fold-it, fits in an A2 size card. Now, how I want you to do this, and I'm gonna look for an envelope, and of course I don't have one because I never have what I need. But how I want you to do this one is, when you build this, you're gonna die cut the flower pot. I highly recommend you die cut it up at the top. You're gonna die cut the flower pot. You're gonna get a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cardstock, or you could use an envelope. You're gonna lay it down, and then you're gonna decorate your flowers to go in the pot, making sure they don't go above or be too far wide than your envelope. Okay, that's just my tip from me to you. Now, if you want to use a bigger envelope, go for it. You make your bouquet as wide as you want, or as big as you want. But I thought, and they do come with other flowers, I thought how fun to take these flowers and make your own flower pot. Okay, that was just me. Now, if you don't like it, that's fine. It works great. But look at this. Here's another one. Isn't that awesome? How fun is that? You get to mix and match and put your flowers on there. You choose the colors. You choose the pattern, however you want to do it. Here's another one. So cute, aren't they? Oh my gosh, look how cute this one is. Isn't that adorable? Now this one is on the side. Just a heads up, you can do it on the side. I kind of recommend doing it up at the top, but you do you, right? You do you. Here's one turned into a box-it, which is so cute, with some coffee on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Happy birthday. Here's another box-it for someone. It says get well soon, and there's some tissues, and there's a Lipton cup of soup. How cute is that, with a little box-it? Can you imagine giving this to somebody just when they're not feeling very well? Actually, Ken's not feeling well today. I should give this to him. I should say, look, Ken, I made it, but not really. Leslie made it. But isn't that cute? How fun would that be? Now, it doesn't have to be get well soon. It could be congratulations. You could use one of those big circles for congratulations. You can put anything you want on the inside. Now, let's see. Oh, here's another fun one. This is using our big flower Fold It, our tropical flower. Open it up, and you can even put stuff on the inside because we use the Box It. That Box It die is probably one of our most popular. Now, let's go back to the patterns and things from the flowers. So there's an example of the pattern. Here's an example. Look at how gorgeous those are with the black. And then you can see how they just really pop. Here's one with the solid. Those of you that don't like to color, right here, there you go. Here's one, just outlines. Again, if you don't like to color, just do the outlines. That's all you need to do, right? Oh, look how gorgeous that one is. If I go too fast, don't worry. They're all on our website at thestampsoflife.com. Fun bookmark. Ooh, I love this one. Look at the colors. You can really see the solids and the patterns on this one. Oh, now this one, who did this one? Sandra. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, here's another flower pot one. Yay! I love those. I think they're here again on the side, so you get to pick. And, ooh, here's a pretty one. You are loved. And again, I did show this one already, but I just have to show it again, this cute little gift bag. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you need to join. You're missing out on all the fun Happy Mail. What? You've got to be in the club. Even my dog is in a club, okay? Not our club, a different club, a dog club. You've got to be in a club. It's fun to get Happy Mail. Everybody deserves Happy Mail, let me tell you. And you can be in the club for only $11.95 a month in the US. Thank you so much. Go to thestampsoflife.com and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.